Have you ever held a Labubu figure, feeling its smooth texture and noticing the intricate details, and wondered where it comes from? What chain of events, what creative sparks, led to this little character ending up in your hands? That mischievous grin and playful spirit, that undeniable charm, have captured hearts worldwide, creating a global community of collectors and enthusiasts. You see them everywhere, in homes, offices, and even adorning backpacks, on shelves, neatly arranged and waiting to be discovered in blind boxes, promising a surprise with every purchase, and all over social media, shared and celebrated by fans from every corner of the globe. But the real magic, the true enchantment, is in their creation, a journey of imagination and skill, a process few fans ever see, hidden behind closed doors, and guarded by creative minds. Today, we're pulling back the curtain, offering you an exclusive glimpse, to reveal how a Labubu is born, from concept to completion. We'll follow one figure, a single character on its unique journey, from the first spark of an idea, the initial sketch on a drawing board, to the moment it's boxed and ready for you, eagerly awaiting its new home. Each step is a blend of careful planning, meticulous execution, artistry, breathing life into a simple concept, precision, ensuring every detail is perfect, and passion, fueling the entire process with dedication and love. By the end, you'll see why every Labubu is more than just a toy. It's a testament to creativity and craftsmanship. It's a tiny work of art, a collectible treasure. Ready to discover the secrets behind the smile, to unravel the mystery of its creation? Let's open the workshop doors and begin this fascinating journey. Every Labubu begins as a spark, a tiny flicker of an idea. It starts as an intangible concept, a whisper in the creative mind. This spark ignites in Kasing Lung's imagination, a boundless realm where anything is possible. It's a place where dreams take flight and characters are born. He dreams up new worlds and adventures, crafting intricate backstories and scenarios for his creations. These worlds are filled with wonder, mystery, and endless possibilities, setting the stage for Labubu's grand entrance. Deciding on a theme is the next step, maybe a pilot, soaring through the skies with courage and skill. Or perhaps a baker, crafting delicious treats with love and care, filling the world with sweetness. Or even a rock star, electrifying audiences with their music and charisma, embodying the spirit of rebellion and freedom. The team then collaborates, bringing these initial ideas to life through sketches and brainstorming sessions. Detailed concepts are meticulously crafted, each line and curve carefully considered. Exploring poses becomes crucial, capturing the character's personality and attitude through body language. Each stance tells a story, conveying emotions and intentions. Expressions are carefully studied, ensuring that every smile, frown, and raised eyebrow perfectly reflects the character's inner world. The eyes, in particular, are the windows to the soul, revealing the depths of their emotions, and accessories are thoughtfully chosen, adding depth and detail to the character's overall design. These small touches can reveal a lot about their background, interests, and personal style. Turnaround drawings show every angle, providing a comprehensive view of the character's form and proportions. This ensures consistency and accuracy in the final product. Ensuring the character will work seamlessly in 3D is paramount, allowing for dynamic poses and realistic movements. This step bridges the gap between the 2D sketch and the tangible figure. Dozens of variations are refined, each iteration bringing the character closer to its final form. It's a process of trial and error, experimentation and discovery, smiles tweaked, ensuring they convey the right level of warmth and charm, ears adjusted, perfecting every detail to create a unique and memorable character. Colors are carefully chosen to match the mood, evoking specific emotions and enhancing the character's overall appeal. The final design sheet is the blueprint, a comprehensive guide that outlines every aspect of the character's design. It includes sketches, providing a visual representation of the character from various angles. Color codes, ensuring accurate and consistent color reproduction throughout the production process. And notes for every detail, providing clear instructions and specifications for the manufacturing team. This document guides the entire process, ensuring that everyone involved is on the same page and working towards a common goal. Bridging imagination and reality, transforming a simple idea into a tangible and beloved character. With the soul of Labubu captured on paper, its essence perfectly preserved in ink and graphite, it's ready to take shape, to be molded and crafted into a three-dimensional form. The journey from idea to figure, from a mere concept to a cherished collectible, is a dance of creativity and planning, a harmonious blend of artistic vision and meticulous execution. Now it's time for Labubu to step off the page and into the real world, ready to bring joy and wonder to collectors everywhere. With the design now fully set, sculptors transform those initial sketches into a fully realized 3D prototype. Using either modeling clay or sculpting wax, they meticulously craft each individual part, head, body, ears, and even the smallest accessories, separately to ensure maximum precision. Every single detail, from the subtle curve of an ear to the mischievous grin, is carefully and faithfully replicated. The prototype is then thoroughly reviewed and refined until it perfectly captures the unique Labubu spirit. Once officially approved, the meticulously crafted clay parts are used to cast a durable resin copy. This resin prototype then becomes the master, used for creating the steel molds. It's the very last chance for quality checks before mass production begins. Labubu is now a tangible object, finally ready for the next stage of production. The resin prototype is used to create steel molds. Each part gets its own. Molten vinyl is injected into these molds, forming thousands of identical unpainted Labubu parts. Workers remove the parts, trim away excess vinyl, and inspect for flaws. This blend of machine precision and human care ensures every piece is crisp and clean. The factory fills with bins of blank heads, bodies, and ears, a canvas awaiting color. High-quality molds are crucial. They keep details sharp through countless casts. Even in mass production, the human touch is essential. Now the figures are ready for their transformation. The next step, bringing Labubu to life with color. The magic is about to begin. In the painting department, Labubu's personality emerges. Parts receive a base coat, then stencils and masks add crisp shapes and patterns. Complex designs may need 10 or more masks for perfect consistency. The finest details, eyes, smiles, blush, are painted by hand, brush by brush. This artistry turns each figure into a collector's item. Painted parts are cured in a low-heat oven, making the colors durable. Quality control is strict. Every piece is checked against the master design. Only flawless parts move forward. The transformation from blank vinyl to vibrant character is complete. Each Labubu is now bursting with personality. The next step, assembly. The figure is almost ready for its new home. Painted parts are gathered for assembly: heads, bodies, ears, and accessories. Workers hand-assemble each figure, heating joints for a perfect fit. Accessories like hats or guitars are added with precision. Every step is done by hand to ensure consistency and quality. Each figure is inspected. Paint, joints, and accessories must be flawless. Only perfect Labubus pass this final check. The transformation is complete. A collection of parts becomes a single, charming character. Now it's time for packaging. The journey is almost over. Soon, Labubu will be ready to meet its new owner. Let's see how the magic is wrapped up. The final step in bringing Labubu to life is packaging. It's more than just placing the figure in a box. It's about creating an experience from the moment you receive it. The packaging is meticulously designed to create excitement and surprise, building anticipation for what's inside. It's the first interaction you have with your new collectible. Each Labubu is carefully sealed in a protective foil bag, ensuring it arrives in pristine condition. This also adds an extra layer of mystery to the unboxing experience. Then it's placed in a beautifully illustrated blind box. The blind box concept adds an element of chance and discovery. The box art matches the series theme, often featuring vibrant colors and playful designs that hint at the character within. This attention to detail makes even the packaging collectible. Many fans display the boxes alongside their figures, appreciating the artistry and design. A collector's card is included inside each box, adding another layer to the collecting experience. This card features the character's artwork, providing a visual guide and a piece of memorabilia for each figure. It's a small detail that enhances the overall value. The element of surprise, no one knows which figure is inside until they open the box, adds to the thrill and excitement of the unboxing experience. It's a gamble that can lead to discovering your new favorite character. Boxes are carefully packed and shipped worldwide, ensuring that Labubu reaches collectors across the globe. They're ready for fans everywhere, bringing joy and a touch of whimsy to doorsteps around the world. When you finally open a Labubu blind box, you're not just opening a package, you're unwrapping the result of countless hours of dedication, creativity, and meticulous care. Every detail, from the initial concept to the final product, reflects this commitment to quality and artistry. From the initial sketch to the shelf, each step in the creation of Labubu is a testament to the passion and dedication of the team. Every step was filled with passion, ensuring that each Labubu is a unique and cherished collectible. That's the real magic, the culmination of artistry, dedication, and a touch of whimsy. It's the secret behind the mischievous smile and the captivating charm of Labubu. The journey ends in your hands, a tangible representation of creativity and passion. And with that, a new adventure begins, filled with imagination, collecting, and the joy of owning a piece of art.